In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen in Adobe After Effects. So to do this, I have my video footage here, and I'm going to go to Effects and Presets, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effects and Presets. And here I'm going to search for Keylight. And we want the Keylight 1.2, and I'm going to drag it on top of my footage here. And now here in the Effect Controls window, we have several things we can use. First, I'm going to select the screen color to be this green. As you can see now, green screen, green has disappeared. You can also have the black background if that's easier. Now, depending on the lighting of the green screen, sometimes it can leave some green spots in your footage. You can then increase your screen gain to remove those. And you can also reduce the noise around the edges. And to do that, we're going to go to Screen Matte. And then here we're going to clip the black just a little bit. We don't want to remove too much. But if you clip the black by 5 or 7, something like that, you are going to reduce the noise around the edges. And then if there is something in your video you don't want to include, which isn't removed with your green color, you can go to Source Crops. And then here you can crop left, right, top or bottom. So if you crop this, as you can see, you can remove things you don't want to be in your video. And when everything is done and your green screen is gone, you can go back to your project and drag in the background you want to use. That's how you can remove a green screen in Adobe After Effects. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.